Inventory is increasing and prices are beginning to stabilize. Big John Peterson here, Remax Realty Professionals. Welcome to the Market Minute for September the 11th, 2024. When we take a look at these numbers, this is a good stabilization, more normalization that is starting to happen into our market. It is good news. When we take a look at the last week, we see that there were 498 sales that occurred with 129 additional failed sales. So almost 130 properties there were contracts on and they did not remove their conditions. We saw over 1,000 new listings, almost 1,100 new listings coming into the market. So a lot more coming into the market directly as a result of higher prices. Through the first part of this year, in the middle of this year, 2024, we've seen that prices have increased substantially, more inventory coming into the market, and that's what's starting to stabilize our pricing because there's options out there for buyers to take a look at. 645 price reductions in the last week. Now, again, this is not saying that the prices are going down. It is saying they're stabilizing. So when we're looking at pricing homes now, we can't take the sale from a week ago and go, okay, great. The next home's going to sell 5 or 10% higher. What we're seeing is that those prices are starting to flatten out a little bit, starting to normalize. That is a good thing for the long-term health of our marketplace, of the real estate market here in Calgary. Total inventory 4,842. If you remember, at the beginning of the year, we had about half that number of homes available for sale. I've been talking about needing to get to 4,800, 4,900, 5,000 properties to achieve balance. We're almost there. Most segments of our marketplace, we are seeing balance, price stabilization, and we should see that for a little bit. Yes, there are some segments of the market, some price ranges that we are still seeing multiple offers and home selling for much above asking price, but that is happening fewer and fewer times as we're seeing more overall inventory available for sale. Months of supply in the market, overall 2.1 months worth of supply in the market. Detached homes, 2.4 months worth of supply. And remember, as soon as we cross over 2 months, anything between 2 and 3 months is considered more of a stable market. In a stable market, we're looking towards 3, 4, 5% increase in prices year over year. And again, we're starting to enter into that months of supply marketplace. When we go through and look at your townhomes, your row homes, what we're seeing 1.9 months worth of supply in the market, half duplexes, 2 months worth of supply in the market, and apartment style condominiums, 2.9 months worth of supply. Again, a lot of people that have been holding back on listing their apartment style condominiums coming into the market because prices have increased, creating more inventory into the market. Need to keep a close eye on these trends as we move into the fall, the middle of September, end of September. We typically will see an increase in sales activity. So if the sales numbers start to increase again, it'll bring down those months of supply in the market. So what we're seeing for sellers, again, really need to understand what's happening in your community price wise. Prices are not going up nearly as quickly as they were, but your home is worth a lot more than it was 6 months ago, a lot more than it was a year ago. So that's great news. Buyers, there are properties out there in the market. There's more coming to the market all the time. And you want to be first into those so that if something new comes into the market that's priced well, it's still selling quickly. So what you want to do is be educated on what's going on in the market so you can take advantage of those great opportunities. We can provide detailed custom market value analysis on any property in Calgary and surrounding area. Happy to do that for you. Also, if you're looking in a particular community, educate you on what's happening in that particular community for the particular price range and kind of home that you're looking for. Homesaleprices.ca will give you a rough idea estimate on what your home could potentially be worth or a home you're interested in. But remember, as the market's starting to shift, that data may not be right up to the minute. If you are wanting to take a serious look at selling or buying, please reach out to us. We can provide all that information. No hassle, no obligation, no cost to you. Look forward to talking to you about all things real estate and answering your real estate questions.